All right, so today it's going to be a pretty short video. What we're going to do is put on the good old harmonic balancer. And as you can see, it rides on this seal right there. That reminds me, I gotta get some little bit of spray lubage.
Oh yeah, because you don't want it dry, just rub it straight in.
We're just going to use our WD.
You sure not the assembly lube?
Yeah, this WD is fine. That on there, spray a little bit on the inside. Oh, that's a little dirty.
Need a towel?
Hold this so I'm gonna drop that. Get that there. I need it. Yeah, I gotta get a towel. So obviously there's another rendition of, yep, I'm not prepared. I am going to clean this out a little bit. Back in the day, we'd just go ahead and throw it on there.
It's quite dirty. Well, not too bad.
It's clean now. Spray it again. All right. So this little kit that we got from O'Reilly's that is basically all you need. Yeah, you can see it. This one happens to be the one for here, and it screws in. So you test it, make sure it goes all the way in. You don't want it to be only going halfway or something. You're going to put a lot of force on this. The long bolt goes in, and this one screws into that bolt. And it will stop right when it hits it. So we can put the rest on after this. Screw this in. And we butt it up there. And we tighten this one down. We take and put on our harmonic balance, and we'll get it to start over the keyway.
Take the bearing.
Take our bearing, put that on. Now we're going to get the big nut. Sometimes when you get these kits, you'll have a bunch of stripped threads and stuff. So you want to make sure you look at it when you're there to make sure it's not jacked up. This one looked really good. Only a couple of them used. It's probably only been used like 5 or 6 times, based upon how clean this nut is. So anyway, once you're done, we're just going to use a big old crescent. And let me move you so you can see if it's going on to a better advantage point here. There we go. We should be able to see that go on pretty easy. And it'll just slowly start pushing this thing on if it's lined up all right. You don't want to super force it. Oh, it's rotating there. I need another crescent wrench or a wrench right there.
Oh, we got this small one.
I don't see if it fits the end of that thing. I don't think it does.
Yeah, it does.
No, the other side, right next to that.
Oh, yeah, it does.
It does? Or?
Yeah.
So we're gonna hold. You're gonna hold this,
Right.
and we're gonna turn this.
Yeah, just gonna hold steady. Yeah, it wants to move.
It's going. Getting closer.
Yep. Thread by thread.
Ever so slowly.
Each spin's one thread worth.
I'm only doing like half.
Because I can feel it the power getting way more as you get deeper now.
Yep.
Because it's barely moving, but goddamn.
It's almost to where it needs to be. You want another wrench for a backup?
I can hold it for now. Almost there, we're at the teeth.
Yeah. It's gonna go till I can't see any more threading under there. Any more silver at the base.
It doesn't have to be past the teeth.
Oh, it goes past the teeth.
Yep.
That's it. It's going to rotate the... I got to hold it again so I can back this off.
Oh, now we'll go the other way.
Yep. When it rotates the motor, it's done.
Sweet. Oh, I need a towel.
Now we'll back this out. Piece is still in there, so
Yep, take that out.
I don't know how I'm going to do that.
Yeah, because you're just going to wind the... pair of pliers, I guess.
That's a good question. That ain't working.
That's definitely going to be in there.
Guess what I got to do is
Oh, spin the whole unit.
put this back in, tighten it up, and then spin this. Trying to avoid the heat here today.
Well, it's hot. 91 degrees.
There she comes.
Just did it out of sequence.
Can hang on to that one. Pop this loose, I think.
Yeah.
Lay it on there.
Yeah, right in this crook. And then you can...
Monkey fucking football. It's spinning it. That's a 9/16. He's Connor's favorite toy.
You sure that the electric one's gonna work for this? We might just keep spinning it.
I think it's going to give it enough. So hold on to this. Let me get a nice 16.
Oh, this is the other drill.
And that's not the hammer one?
Nope. Well, I used the little one. This is a different one.
Oh, you use this one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Use the smaller one.
9/16.
We'll just get it off like this.
I'm going to hold it with a pair of pliers. You got it in reverse?
Yep. Go.
All right, try it. There it goes.
Nice. It did work. Here's the socket.
And that right there is how that all goes on.
Easy as it gets.
If you're a redneck, there are 10 other ways to do it.
Now the whole kit just goes back.
So, let me put this up. So we'll just continue this little party here. So, the next thing is the oil pump. No, not oil pump. Fuel pump right there, and the piece and the rod that goes in there and connects to the camshaft.
No, you're not showing on the camera too well. There you go.
Right there. And then we're going to put in the lifters, and so we're going to put that cap on there. Then we're going to put in all the lifters, put the heads on, get that all torqued down, and then we're going to put in the rods and get her all adjusted. So let me you're going to film. I'm going to now. I should be able to turn this over with this because there's really no weight on it, and you can see I can move it backwards and forward by hand with nothing special. So top dead center is right about there, and if you come in here and you see, that's right on that pin. Top dead center right there. So this thing's all turned
off.
Well, yeah, but you can't, you know.
Yeah.
You can't really adjust it, you know, that well, so I just ballparked it.
Because it's tough. That thing looks pretty hard to spin.
It's not super hard, but it's difficult.
It's like no grip.
Right, there's no grip, and my hands are oily.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
I just sprayed it with WD-40. There's a bunch of fucking oil all over it. So, and that reminds me, so, because we're going to be working up here, we're going to douche down the guides and the inside of this thing. Let that oil just kind of sit in there.
Why so?
Well, because when we go put in those lifters, I want them to slide right in.
Oh, we doing that now?
No,
Oh, okay.
no, that's next time.
Next video.
So that's pretty much it for today. We'll see y'all soon.